Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick tutorial for you. This is my very first one, so bear with me. I just did a package or a 14 days of Valentine's swap with Solange, and I packed in her box some of these little puffy heart confetti origami. I don't know. I thought I wanted to do something cute and I searched around. I'll link the video that I used for these, but I'll also show you myself. So you can do them any size. I think I totally made up these numbers. This big one here, which I think is just under about an inch, is 1.5 inches by 7 inches. And these little ones are about an inch or a half an inch wide from here. And these papers are 1 inch by 4 3/4 inch. So all you do is fold a triangle. So you take the paper and then crease it really well. I found the magic number is 7 times to do this, so that was 1. I don't know what the actual amount should be, but 7 seems to work best. That was 2. This is 3. And then you just keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now when you get to 7, this tail is actually a little bit longer than I want it to be, so I'm just gonna snip a little bit off. You'll learn as you go how much extra you like to have here. Now, I'm sorry about my nails. I'm not girly. They're way longer than they normally are, and they need to be painted. I'm sorry. I have to get with the YouTube tutorial up close finger shot program. Okay, so you saw that I folded this edge down, and this one you just slide in. There's over here, I don't know if you can see that, but you're going in the top lip, not the bottom. So you fold this piece down, and then you guide this other end into that spot, and now you're gonna start sticking that other one in. This point, I kind of smush this down a little bit because this has to go underneath the flap. So when you get it under there, once it's under there like that, oh, I hope I'm in frame, you just kind of smush it in there and flatten it out as you go. So I'm kind of smoothing it out. Okay, so now it's tucked in. Now I'm gonna flip it over so the triangle is now, the tip is facing me, and I'm gonna throw it around like I just don't care. I'm gonna snip these edges. You're just gonna round these edges off. This is kind of hard for me because I like them to be absolutely perfect, and when you're not matching them up, it's hard to get them perfect, but you can kind of go back in and trim them up a little bit. Okay, so once you're happy with the way you cut trimmed your edges, you're gonna hold it and then just stick your fingernail or something down and push the center. So this one actually folded, which happens sometimes. I just take my scissors or a needle and you put it in the layer. If I can get this one in the center of it, and you just kind of pop it out again. I'm just pushing it up a little bit. That happens every now and then. Sometimes they don't like to puff up very nicely. Okay, here we go. So then I flip it and just give it another. So there's your first one, your mini. And then again, here's this other ones and the big one. So hopefully that was helpful. You do the same thing for here, 7 times, bring this over. If you'll learn, like I said with the end, if it's too long, just give it a little snip. That's the trickiest part, is tucking that edge in. But you wanna make sure you tuck it in really well, because sometimes if it's a little short, see this one's almost a little short, excuse me, they undo. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.